TE Talks with Guides is a weekly podcast for lovers of history, travel, and all things Italian. Longing to go to Italy or just back from your wonderful trip? Listen in, and we will take you there with stories and descriptions of wonderful places to spark your imaginations to come alive. Let me take this moment to explain a little bit about who I am and why I decided to start a podcast. My name is Rob Allen, and I am founder of the boutique walking tour company Through Eternity Tours. I founded this company because I always felt that there was something missing when I would go on a walking tour to see a special site or monument. I wanted fireworks! Remember in your life when you had that exceptional teacher that you never forgot because they made it fun to learn? You couldn't wait to get to class. That remarkable person could regale you with phenomenal stories, and you would be so entertained that you did not even realize that you were learning. That's what I wanted with the guide who was showing me around, and I went out in search of those people and built my company on that premise. And it has been a great success, and happily, many people noticed. I also became a guide myself because I love to perform and make connections with people. This is my ideal job because many times it doesn't feel like work. We have been taking people around all parts of Italy for over 20 years now. We started in Rome, where I am a licensed guide, and have expanded to Pompeii, the Amalfi Coast, Florence, and now Venice, and much, much more. A thing that makes Through Eternity Tours special is that the staff and guides who work with us are exceptional. And we have built very strong bonds together, and we are all a great support network for each other. We often hang out together and chat with each other or go to new exhibits together. We all have a passion, and we all are great storytellers. So many times I thought to myself that during these enthusiastic conversations that we have, wouldn't it be great to share this with other people? These conversations are fascinating because, as guides, we are constantly reading and learning new things of the places we show to people. What better way is there to get the word out and share with people the talks that I have with our TE guides? That is why we have created TE Talks with Guides, to keep the stories going, to keep your dreams of Italy alive. Thank you for listening to our TE Talks with Guides. We have a new episode every Wednesday. Please subscribe to get an alert when each podcast comes out. Rate us and tell people how you enjoyed it and share it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Most importantly, if you enjoyed it, send us a feedback about the show. Also, if you are curious about what some of these people and places we talked about look like, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the video on this podcast where we have inserted special images for you to further enjoy the story.